bitch.
How's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a POV on driving my Evo. I'm going to be doing some pulls on the highway just so you guys can check out and see how much boost this thing's pushing. It's a gorgeous, gorgeous day outside, so thought I'd take a little bit of advantage of this and give you guys a nice video on me doing a POV of pulls and driving. So let's check this out.
What if I go stronger? What if I get higher? What if I start doing things I know I will regret? I will make my own way, I will not surrender. I will do my best until I get put under. What if I go stronger? 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 What if I go stronger?
Pushing around 23 pounds of boost, guys. This is awesome. Such an awesome day to do this, too. People out driving today, jeez. driving this, but man, does it like gas. But it seems like it's such a beautiful day. I just wish it would stay this way all year round, but in West Virginia it does not. It's always super crappy in West Virginia. But you get what you can get, right? Alright, I'm here at the gas station. Always so much fun. Waste that 93. Super nice truck over there, kind of peeping. Let's see how much this thing actually takes. 93. All right, we shall find out. $22, not that bad. All right. Always, whenever you're driving a manual, just to have a joke, always make sure it's in neutral. I always think that's funny seeing those videos that people do all the time on like Instagram and YouTube, and it's super great because it's literally like not a lie. As soon as you get inside of your vehicle that is a manual, you always have the nerve to make sure it's in neutral, and it's great. All right, time to get back on the road. Make sure we don't die here. It's always so much fun waiting. And we're good. All right, but that's gonna end today's video. I know it's a super short video, but I did some pulls, got into boost, let you guys see how much boost it's pushing. It's pushing 23 usually. Sometimes it'll push a little more, a little less, just depends on how hard I guess I push it. But next week's video is going to be super awesome, and it's going to be a big reveal. I'm super excited to do it, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. But that's gonna conclude today's video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like and subscribe down below, and I'll be posting more up soon. See you later, guys.